feature that we're going to look at is called auto switch buds. Now these Galaxy Buds 3 are connected to this tablet as well as this phone. So there you go, it's connected right here. And if I go in here, they are not connected here, but they will get connected because they are in the history. Now if I'm playing music on this tablet, the music is playing through Galaxy Buds 3. If we go in media output, here you can see that media output is Galaxy Buds 3. Now if I go in Spotify here and I play music here, the Galaxy Buds 3 will switch automatically to my phone from this tablet. And now I'm playing this music on the phone through my buds. So this switching of Galaxy Buds happen automatically from one device to the other based on which device is actively playing the media. This also applies to phone calls. So for example, if I'm playing music on the tablet and I get a call on the phone, the buds will switch to the phone so I can receive that phone call through the buds. So now I want to show you how seamlessly they switch back and forth. So now I'm going to play music on this tablet and the buds will switch. And if I'll play music on the phone, the buds will switch again and they'll switch again and they'll switch again. So this is how you use Galaxy Buds 3 with Samsung ecosystem, and you can control the settings by going in the settings and then go in connected devices and then go in auto switch buds. And from here you need to turn this setting on and you need to make sure that you are signed in with the same Samsung account on both the devices, or if you have 3 devices, on all of them.